Hi, welcome to the History Archives. My name is Talha. Today we will get to know about the history of Trojan horse. The Trojan horse was a wooden horse said to have been used by the Greeks during the Trojan War to enter the city of the Troy. After a fruitless 10-year siege, the Greeks constructed a huge wooden horse at the behest of Odysseus and hired a select force of men inside, including the Odysseus himself. The Greeks pretended to sail away, and the Trojans pulled the horse into their city as a victory trophy. That night, the Greek force crept out of the horse and opened the gates of the rest of the Greek army, which had sailed back under cover of darkness. The Greeks entered and destroyed the city, and ending the war. Trojan horse has came to mean any trick that cause a target to invite a foe into a securely protected place. 30 of the Achaeans' best warriors hide in the Trojan horse womb and two spies in his mouth. According to the Quintus, Odysseus thought of building a great wooden horse hiding a lead force inside, and fooling the Trojans into wheeling the horse into the city as a trophy under the leadership of Epeius. The Greek built the wooden horse in 3 days. Odysseus' plan called for one man to remain outside the horse. He would act as though the Greeks had abandoned him, leaving the horse as a gift for the Trojans. A letter was engraved on the horse reading, "Before they return home, the Greeks dedicate this offering to Athena." Then they burned their tents and left to the Tenderness Island. Greek soldiers, Sinon was abandoned and was to signal the Greeks by lighting a beacon. So this is the story that how the Greeks deceived the Trojans and won the battle. Thanks for watching.